Good morning, everybody. J.R. Swift here once again with Vegas Tips and Tricks. It is May 10th, Thursday. We're live from Las Vegas. We are in my room at the Cromwell Hotel. You will be seeing a full room review video. It's going to be a long video because there's a lot of curious things about this room, so I want to show them to you. I'm having my complimentary Cromwell coffee, and I'll also be making a video, kind of short, very short video in this case, of how the little coffee maker works that they have here at the hotel on the 5th and 7th floor. I'm on the 6th floor, so I had to go downstairs to get this, but it's pretty good coffee. Good enough. The lighting in here is a little odd, which is why I kind of did the video yesterday standing by the window, but I'm even under the best of circumstances, I'm always a little glared, so we'll just have to deal with that. Yesterday I realized that perhaps one of the reasons I haven't done one of these vlogs before is because I really don't do anything all that interesting. I walk around. That's what the videos have always been, is me just kind of walking around. So you get kind of a picture of my day, but mostly I was just gamble a lot, had probably a few too many drinks. I had to take a nap in the middle of the day, actually pretty much at the end of the day, but got up at 10 o'clock and went back outside till about 2:30 in the morning, so that's pretty late for me. But anyway, checked out a new restaurant yesterday. I did take a couple shots of that, the Blue Ribbon Chicken place over at the Grand Bazaar Shops at Bally's just across the way here. But so again, most of today's video, just some shots that I took as the day went on, some of my better wins on the machines, and a couple of little short videos for when I actually hit a bonus on a couple of machines. Today I'm going to be going downtown. I'll be spending one night in a suite at the El Cortez. So I'm going to do a bunch of videos this afternoon and this evening that you'll see later, but you'll also see downtown tomorrow. So that should be fun. That's something different. And until then, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. We got a little bonus, so we're trying to film it here. We missed the first part, but not doing that well, actually. Hey, that was good. More flaming sevens. 5 more spins here. Let's get a big one. That's not bad. Line those flaming sevens up. This is going to be a really good one. Okay, 2 more spins here. We'll see how we're doing. Haven't had a great morning so far. It's a big finish here. Big finish. And maybe not a big finish. But hey, got a little bit of money back. So we win $41.40. Well, there you go. Alright, so we got a spin on this Wheel of Fortune thing. So I'm going to record this, see if I win big. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so we get 7 free games, I guess. Well, I don't know. I guess we, so we're going to play our 7 free games. So. I'm doing about as well as I was before the free games. A little bit there. A couple more left. Still only 113. Not very good. Wow. Not a great finish there. Okay, well that was a horrible bonus. But there you go.